Many believe milling machines are bulky and expensive. I'm an expert in machining and workshop tools. Let me introduce the JET JMD-18 mill drill machine. Check the description to get the best price on Amazon. This tool combines a drill press and milling machine. It's perfect for woodworkers, metalworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. The JMD-18 features an extra-large worktable. This allows you to handle bigger projects with ease. It has a powerful 2 HP motor for efficient performance. The motor is UL listed for safety and reliability. You get 12 spindle speeds ranging from 150 to 3,000 revolutions per minute. Speed changes are quick with the hinged belt cover. The one-piece cast iron column adds stability. Heavy-duty roller bearings support the spindle. This ensures accurate drilling depth and precision. The 360-degree swiveling head offers flexibility. You can achieve precise results every time. The easy-to-read depth gauge aids consistency. A built-in work lamp illuminates your workspace. The locking collet prevents tool fall during lateral forces. This machine is light, yet versatile and affordable. It's ideal for light machining tasks. The JMD-18 comes with several standard accessories. These include an adjustable carbide face mill. A 1/2-inch drill chuck and chuck arbor are included. It also has a drawbar and drill chuck guard. A 3-inch drill press angle vise is part of the package. This vise ensures precise positioning and secure clamping. The machine is backed by a 2-year warranty. JET has a long history of innovative products. Founded in 1958, JET is a trusted name in tools. They offer best-in-class features and excellent service. The JMD-18 is perfect for professional machinists. It's also great for workshop environments. This machine handles aluminum, wood, and ceramic tile. The extra-large worktable measures 9.5 by 31.75 inches. This gives you ample space for large-scale projects. The work lamp ensures visibility even in dim conditions. The 2 HP motor delivers powerful performance. It operates on 115/230V single phase. The cast iron column provides additional support. Heavy-duty, tapered roller bearings enhance stability. The quick-stop knob ensures safety and precision. The machine's design minimizes delays and wait periods. JET's JMD-18 is a versatile, powerful tool. It's designed for precision engineering tasks. The 360-degree head swivel adds to its versatility. Forward and reverse switch for added control. The base taper allows for easier cleanup. This machine is ideal for experienced machinists. It's perfect for those seeking precision and efficiency. The JMD-18 is a long-term investment in quality. It offers durability and reliability. The 2-year warranty provides peace of mind. JET's commitment to excellence is evident. Their products are designed to meet professional needs. The JMD-18 is no exception. It's a high-performance tool for serious tasks, ideal for both industrial and workshop settings. The large worktable supports bigger jobs. The easy-to-read depth gauge ensures precision. The 360-degree head swivel offers flexibility. The powerful motor delivers fast results. The cast iron column adds stability. Heavy-duty roller bearings support accuracy. The JMD-18 is versatile and efficient, perfect for woodworkers, metalworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. JET's JMD-18 is a reliable choice. Invest in quality and precision. Choose the JET JMD-18 mill drill machine today. Order now and elevate your machining tasks.